we're gonna learn file path examples in the HTML. So we have a lot of ways we can access a file based on the folder in which it lies in. So let's look at the folder structure. This is what we've been using so far for our HTML tutorial. So I'm going to use sample images to test this. If you can see, I have an image here called root1.png. I have the same image in this folder, which is IMA1, and then I have one inside another folder which is called a pic1. So let's see how we can use the path system in HTML to access each of the image. So first, let me use an image tag here. So image, and then I'm gonna call the source, so that will help us know how to call files from our HTML. So first, let's try how to call this file inside our HTML. And this is actually in the root folder, and this is in the root. So that is why I name it the root. So to call that, you simply have to type the name of the picture, which is root, and that is the first part. So this is located in the same folder as the current page. So that is how you call it. Then I reload. Okay, we have it there. Now what about if we have this same picture here, but it's inside another folder? So that one, we need to first, let me clear this, we need to first type the name of the folder, which is image, this one, image, and then we'll be able to select within the image. So first we select this folder like this, click and open, and then we have the file here. So then I save it. That also loads the same image because it's in this and is the same image here. But what if we want to now select the file from another folder inside the image folder, which is the pic? So I named that one pic1. All right, so to do that is also very simple. You can easily go to image and then start typing the name of the next folder, which is pic, and inside the pic it have what we call the pic1, which is the same on the screen. Great. So now we have learned 3 pathways. So let me put this example here in the comment real quick. So we have this. So the first part will be first the direct path, which is the image from the root. The next one will be the image from a folder. So it's gonna be the name of the folder, which is image, and then the name of the file, which was ima.png. Then the next one will be the image in a folder of a folder. So, and that one was image slash, the another folder was pic. So pic slash the image in there, which was pic1 something.png. Okay, so these are the simplest way of calling, files inside our HTML. So it can be normal HTML file, or it can be any other file. Just like the way we're calling the image, you can call other files using the same file path in HTML. But what if we have the image in a folder which is not here? So let's say we have the image right outside the HTML. It is very simple. What we got to do is to simply use a 2 dot in front of this, then we'll do a slash, then it's gonna give us all this folder. We can see application, CSS, desktop, we can see all this. Then we can select, probably let's say we want to select a folder from the desktop, but this needs to be in the root of the web. Great, but I'm using the desktop one just for the demonstration. Then I can choose this. So you see this is outside the root of this folder, which is outside of the HTML. So I use the double dot and the slash to call folders outside there. So we have other ways, but these are the common ways of referring to a file inside an HTML piece. And then